This time on building terminology, flashing. The term flashing refers to a strip or a sleeve of impervious material dressed, fitted, or built in to provide a barrier to moisture movement, or to divert the travel of moisture, or to cover a joint where water would otherwise penetrate into the interior of a building. So there's a lot of materials, anything from timber to metal to plastics and PVC that can be used as a flashing.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.